We are living in exceptional times. Scientists warn us that we have 10 years to change the way we live, avert the depletion of natural resources and the catastrophic evolution of the Earth's climate. We need to learn how to employ the natural resources respecting the Earth's recycling time. To farm, though having the soil to be fertile for the following season. To use water without drying out or polluting sources permanently. Our survey will reveal the level of awareness people have about the environment's problem and what it is their attitude on this topic. In other words, we are expected to adopt the necessary behaviors to save our planet, and we are going to investigate whether we are ready to face such change. What is a focus group? A focus group is a form of qualitative research in which a group of people are asked about their opinions, beliefs, and attitudes on a given topic. The discussion is focused in that it is restricted to the topic to be covered. It is a group activity meant to be interactive and to enhance collective participation. In a focus group, participants are free to talk and express their thoughts within a conversation among peers. What is a focus group meant for? A focus group aims at providing an insight into a group's opinion, attitudes, and beliefs. That is the reason why it is often used in marketing research as well in psychology and sociology. The strength of this methodology lies in the possibility of letting opinions and attitudes emerge spontaneously through interaction in an informal setting. Therefore, the focus group gives the researcher access to inner group dynamics, which will be difficult to observe in an arranged setting. A focus group represents a likely approximation to what happens in a spontaneous setting. In general terms, focus groups are aimed at small samples. This is an important difference with regards to quantitative methods, such as surveys or questionnaires, aimed at examining large sets of data. A focus group is usually meant to explore small quantities of data, or even a single case, which is not necessarily likely to be generalized, but rather explored in a very detailed manner. Practical tips on how to conduct a focus group. Focus group involves a limited amount of participants, usually 8 to 12, in order to make interaction accessible to every member. According to the aim and purpose of the research, groups may be homogeneous, for example in terms of age, class, income, etc., or not. They may be already known to each other or not. A focus group usually lasts from 1 to 2 hours. Researchers may take notes during the interaction, yet it is highly recommended for data to be audio or video recorded, then transcribed, in order for them to be as authentic as possible. The setting should be designed in order to put participants at ease, for example by having them sat around a table, face to face, in a well-lit. Although a focus group is meant to be an interaction among peers, the presence of a moderator is required to make sure that conversation stays focused on the given topic and to promote interaction. Moderators can be more or less directive, according to the aims and purposes. For example, they can be simply observers and allow the conversation to flow freely, or otherwise provide a set of questions in order to highlight the most important points to be covered. They may also introduce research and create the right climate among participants. In general terms, moderators should be impartial and unobtrusive and try not to influence participants with their own opinions. In our case, a focus group will be employed in order to cross-check data obtained via other methodologies, namely a quantitative one, such as a survey.